Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your cabin air filter. First, locate your glove box and ensure it's empty. You'll need a new cabin air filter and possibly a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine is off for safety. This simple maintenance task can greatly improve your car's air quality and is easy to do yourself. To access the filter, open your glove box. On the right side, you'll find a small dampener arm. Gently unhook it. Next, carefully press inward on the side tabs of the glove box. This will allow the glove box to swing down fully, revealing the rectangular filter housing behind it. Take your time to avoid damaging any plastic components. Now that the housing is visible, unclip its cover. This usually involves pinching a tab or two. Once open, you'll see the old cabin air filter. Gently slide it out. Notice the arrow on the old filter, which indicates airflow direction. This is crucial for installing your new filter correctly. A dirty filter will often appear dark and clogged with debris. Take your new cabin air filter and ensure the airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one, typically downwards. Slide the new filter into the housing until it's fully seated. Reattach the filter housing cover, making sure it clicks securely into place. Finally, lift the glove box, re-engage the side tabs, and reattach the dampener arm. Close the glove box, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.